Dormant to active company in India. A company acquires the dormant company status when the registrar approves an application in Form MSC-1 of companies. There are several reasons why a company seeks dormant status. Please refer to our detailed video on the procedure to convert an active company as a dormant company, link in the description of this video. A company can remain dormant only for up to 5 years, and if a company remain in dormant status beyond the 5 years, then the ROC shall strike off the company itself. Hence, the company should apply to the ROC for obtaining the active company status within 5 years from the date the company was declared to be a dormant company. In case of any event in breach of conditions for a dormant company, the company's directors must apply for the restoration of the company as an active company within 7 days of such event. Stepwise process to convert a dormant company to active company. Convene board meeting. The board of directors shall pass a resolution to make an application with ROC for obtaining the status of a dormant company as an active company and authorize a director to make an application, sign documents or forms, or complete all the formalities. Prepare and file return in MSC-3. Before the application for change in status is filed, prepare a dormant company return in Form MSC-3 in respect of the financial year in which the application for obtaining the status of an active company is being filed. File application in MSC-4. The application for changing the company's status from a dormant to an active company is filed in Form MSC-4 after the Board of Directors approve such changes in step number 1 above. Approval as active company. Upon satisfaction of the ROC on the application for changing the company's status, the ROC issues a certificate in Form MSC-5 after it accords its approval to the application. List of documents required for dormant to active company. Copy of board resolution authorizing for filing this declaration. The duly audited statement of financial position. Copy of Memorandum of Association or Articles of Association.